Okay, so hey everyone, this side Chris, come back with another new video. Now today in this video I am going to show you how we can root your any Android phone with the help of kernelsu. It's one of the most advanced way to rooting your device. So in this video I am going to talk about this. Before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed the channel, then subscribe it and like this video. You can notice here I having Redmi 12 5G device here and it currently running on Hyper operating system. Before starting this video, you can notice here my device is currently not rooted here. You can notice here sorry root access is not properly installed on this device, and also you can notice in kernelsu not installed. It means our device is not rooted yet. Okay. After that, you can notice here in about phone section, it currently running on HyperOS 2.2 and device name Redmi 12 5G and Android version is 15 here. If you having any Xiaomi phone, any Poco phone, any Redmi phone and any Mi series phone and running on Android 16, 15, 14, 17 or any Android version, you can definitely try this method. Okay. After that, you have to open your developer option by typing 7 times on OS version or build number or MIUI version. After that, open here additional settings, tap on additional setting and select your developer option. After that, you have to check one thing. Your device is unlocked or not. If your device bootloader is locked, then you can't root your phone. If you want to root your phone, then first unlock your bootloader. I will provide video link in description. You can watch and unlock your bootloader first. After that, you have to download two applications here. First one is root checker and second one is kernelsu. After that, you require one window PC or one window laptop here, where you have to download a software file in your window or your laptop here. So according to your device name, you have to search here. For example, I have a Redmi 12 5G, then I am going to search here Redmi 12 5G flash file here and select your first MIUI ROM. After that, this type of page appear here. So you have to select the correct version of the firmware here or software. So currently I have installed here in my device is Indian version here. If you install here a global version, if you install European version or Japanese version, so you have to download same version which installed on your device here. So also you can notice here XMP4 MI, it means global version. XMP4 EU, it means European version. XMP4 IN, it means Indian version. XMP4 JP, it means Japanese version. XMP4 TWI, it means Taiwan version. So you can also notify by the name of this and also mention here. So first select your region, which region the software installed on your device. After that, you will get here two options here. First one is recovery mode and second one is fast boot mode. So in recovery mode, its name last name is zip and in fast boot mode last name is .tgz. So you require to download the same version of fast boot ROM. And fast boot ROM size is more as compared to recovery mode. Then you have to download here fast boot ROM here, and after that select any mirror. I recommend to download from third mirror because it is much faster as compared to 1, 2, 3 and 4. I mean 3 is much faster as compared to 1 to 4. Okay, so you can notice here I have already downloaded this file on my Windows PC here. After that, open File Explorer or File Manager here and go to download section, and you have to extract the software file in any folder here. Simply tap on the software file, right click and extract the software. You can notice here I have already extracted this software here. After opening this folder, this type of file appear here, lots of file appear here. So simply you have to select here images file here. Okay, before you have to open your device and open here install kernelsu. After that, you can open this kernelsu application here. So first install kernelsu application and after that open it, and at the top of the kernelsu you can notice here not installed. Simply tap on it and you can notice here select a file of a boot partition. It means you require a boot partition image from this file here, and in your case it say select INIT boot image partition required. Then you have to select here INIT boot partition. So open here images folder and you have to find here your required file. In some case it required boot image and in some case it required INIT boot image. Then select according to your device here. So here is boot image here. So I am going to connect my device with my Windows PC and copy this boot image in my device here first. Okay, so in your case i90 boot image required, then you have to select i90 boot image, and in your device required boot image, then you have to select here boot image. So first make sure these things, after that you can proceed it. So I'm going to copy this boot image in my Redmi 12 5G here. Okay, and also you can download this ROM file in your phone. Okay, after that you can notice here I have successfully copied this boot image in my device here. After that, tap on select file, then tap on 3 lines, select your internal storage. After that, select here boot image or i90 boot image according to your device, then tap on OK. After that, you have to tap on confirm. Do not require to any changes here, so directly you can tap on confirm here. Lots of option appear here, but you can select by default here confirm. After confirming this type of script run, and at the last you can notice here done. Then after that, open file manager here and allow all permission if it asks. Then tap here storage and select here download folder. You can notice here one image file appear here. So you have to copy this image file in your Windows PC, and after that you can proceed it. So first copy this image file in your Windows PC or Windows laptop here. So I'm going to copy here. Okay, select your device. After that, kernelsu patch image file, drag and drop. Okay, you can notice here I have successfully copied this kernelsu patch file on my Windows PC. After that, you require to install one more tool in your Windows PC. Its name is platform tool. Before installing this platform tool, you require to power off your phone and boot in fast boot mode. Make sure your battery is minimally 40 to 50%. So power off your phone. Okay. After that, you require to boot in fast boot mode. For fast boot mode, you have to press and hold here power plus volume down button for 5 to 10 seconds. After that, your device will automatic boot in fast boot mode. So you can notice here my device is fully booted in fast boot mode. After that, you require to download one more tool. So open any browser in your window. After that, you have to search here platform tools. Then you have to scroll down here, and you have to download from Android developers here. So tap on this link. After that, this type of page appear here. So simply scroll down here, and you can notice here it's available for 3 platforms. First for Windows, second for Mac, and third for Linux. So second, select your window, and after that tick all these things, and after that tap on download. After downloading, you have to extract it out this platform tool. So open File Explorer or File Manager in your Windows PC. Select your download folder and select your platform tool, right click on it and tap on extract. Okay, tap on extract. After extracting, this type of folder appear here. Its name is platform tool for Windows. Okay, open it and copy from here. Okay, you can notice inside all this type of file here. So simply go back and copy from here or cut, and you have to paste all these things in this PC. So copy it, select here this PC, select here local disk C drive only here. So select local disk C drive. Okay, after that you have to simply paste here. So tap on paste. Okay, you can notice here I have successfully done this step here. After that, you require to flash patch boot image in your device for rooting here. So open File Explorer again and select here this PC. Okay, select here this PC. After that, select here local disk C drive. Then you have to open here platform tool. Then you can here you have to tap. Okay, tap here. When this type of icon appear here, then clear all these things and type here CMD. It means command prompt. Make sure your device connected with your Windows PC and laptop in fast boot mode. After that, you have to put this command here: fastboot space flash space boot space. After that, you have to drag and drop this boot patch image. Okay, so you have to drag and drop this kernel patch image here. Then you have to hit enter. Then you can notice here this type of command run here, send boot image, finish, like this type of all these things. After finishing, you have to put another command. It's a fastboot space reboot space and hit enter. After that, your device will automatic boot in system. So wait for booting your device. It will take a little bit longer time as compared to normal booting here. So you can notice here I have my device successfully booted in system here. Then you have to open here kernelsu application and check it's rooted or not here. In maximum chance to it's become rooted, but I will check here. So open here kernelsu. Okay, you can notice here this type of green icon appear here. It means our device is rooted, and module and super user section also unlock here. So in super user section, you have to permit this specific application that you want to access root. So I'm going to simply allow root checker application for now, and after that check click on verify root. You can notice here, congratulations, root access is properly installed on your device. It means our device successfully rooted here. And also you can notice here time before starting this video, my device is not rooted here, and right now my device is rooted here. That's all about today's video. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon. If you got this video helpful, then like this video and subscribe this channel. We will meet soon.